Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first we have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, this official here site, and after the right hand side search icon just click on it and then enter the model number and then hit enter. AORUS RTX 5090 Master i16. Then click on the product. Now, this is your graphic card, just click on it. Then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. So this is driver, NVIDIA driver. This is versions and size, date, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading like that, and you have to click on three dot and go to download folder. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see. Okay. Now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that, also completed driver, then restart your system.